Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. In this video we turn to all eBay merchants and take a look at the creation of the perfect eBay listing title. What do we want to achieve with a title? We want to rank to the highest position possible. We want to stand out, let potential customers know what this product is all about. You might be thinking, what's so difficult about finding a title? After all, it's just a part of a listing. Look at your title as a business card of your product. It should contain important keywords and at the same time let the customers know what they're buying. We'll show you a formula for the structure of the perfect eBay title. First, let's go over some basic things that you should pay attention to or avoid. You have a limit of 80 characters. Add the name of the manufacturer to the title. Specifics like size, color or condition shouldn't be missed either. Emphasize clearly what this product is about, even if it's obvious by its category. What should you avoid? Don't repeat words. Also, words like excellent or wow are never searched and therefore don't belong to the title. Although you should avoid spelling errors, the title doesn't have to be a complete sentence that makes sense. Titles written in caps lock should be avoided as well. So much for the do's and don'ts. Let's go over the basics regarding influence in ranking. Use the main keyword in the first place. On important keywords, the first letter should be capitalized. It's good to make use of your 80 characters limit, but don't start filling the title with irrelevant words. So how does the formula for the perfect title look like? It must consist of 3 parts. 1 is the description of the product, 2 its features, and 3 its benefits. If you pay attention to all these parameters, there is nothing on the way for your sales. Hopefully we could shed some light for you on this topic. Should you have problems with your eBay listing or other eBay SEO steps, feel free to contact us. Link is in the description below. Your eBakery team.